Welcome to my channel World of Forensics. Today we are going to discuss about another branch of forensic science which is key forensics. So what is this key forensics? Basically key forensics from the word we know it is about key. Sharp. So in key forensics is a branch of forensic science which deals with the identification of the key, whether it is original, manufacturer, or a duplicate one. So here we use for this verification whether it is original or not. It is a comparison is done with the OEM key. Here OEM stands for original equipment manufacturer, which is the original key that we take as a standard, which is originally made by the manufacturer of that company. And with this, with the values of the parameters of this original OEM key, we match the parameters of the key that is a question one. Uh, if the parameters matches with the original manufactured key, that is the OEM key, then we say that the key which is questioned is the original one, and if it does not match, we say it is a duplicate. Parameters that are checked. So for this comparison or verification or whether the key is original or not, the length of the key is measured. The composition of the key, the hardness of the key, the wear and tear marks, and the coating thickness of a key. The questioned key are compared with that of the OEM standard key. Length of the key. Here we take the values of the length of the OEM key, which includes the total length of the total key, the length of the plate, the length of the groove. Okay, and compare the values with that of the original. Now comes the composition of the key. So we see the materials that are used for the composition of key includes copper, nickel, iron, zinc, manganese, magnesium, etc. Alongside other also materials can also be present. The composition of the question key is matched with the composition of the OEM key, and this matching is done based on the percentage of the materials present in the OEM key. Hardness of a key. This hardness is measured by HRV, which stands for Hardness Rockwell B scale. And what is this? It measures the uses the hardness Rockwell hardness tester, with which 1.588 mm or 1 by 16-inch diameter ball and the 100 kg of flow is placed on that question key, and the value is obtained. Similarly, we have the value of this hardness of the original OEM key. Then we compare this hardness of the question key with the of the original key, and we write the unit HRP after that value. Parent. So what are these? This when you use a key, it um, has the wear and tear marks. And along with the wear and tear marks, also we found other types of marks on the key, which are called the fabrication marks. Uh, and this fabrication marks may include manual filing, which means when we use one cutter or any other thing and then rub the key surface with it, then marks are formed on the key, which stands for the manual filing marks. Manual scratch marks include scratching on the key with any instrument made a blade or pen, anything with which scratches are formed on the key. And these are the two types of fabrication marks that can be found on the key. Also, the coating can be removed from the key, which is a type of fabrication also. And with the usage of the key, wear and tear marks comes. The more the usage of the key, more wear and tear marks will be found in a key. Coating thickness. It measures the land and groove thicknesses of a key. And This proof dimension determines how many times the key has been used. When compared with the original OEM key, we obtain a value of the key at a specific number of times which is used. Then we compare that value with the value that we found in the question key, from which we can say that from these group dimensions, we can say whether the key is used or not based on the group dimensions. Conclusion. So, why is the key forensic useful and how it is used? So, key forensic is important in determining the originality of the key. It is also used by the insurance companies in case of car theft or bike theft cases, claims where the key are verified with maybe the key may be a duplicate one. So when the keys are verified whether duplicate or original, and also we determine whether it is used or unused. Based on key forensics, we can determine the originality. Along with the originality, we also determine the usage of a key in key forensics. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications about videos on this channel. And also suggest me topics to make videos.